How's it going, ladies and gents? It's Flack. Here we have the two-stroke and my first gen glass pack made with Arizona iced tea cans, copper pipe, and I'm pretty sure that's steel wool in there as packing. Now, as you can tell from the title of the video, I have 3D printed a muffler body. So I'm going to run it with the original muffler first, or my original muffler first. Then we will run it with this, with no packing whatsoever, and then we will pack it, see how it sounds different, and see if this fails immediately. Actually, I should put a little bit more detail on how this is made. I have some apparently carbon fiber plastic spacers here. And it's just two ends, and it's a cylinder. That's about it. Also, I have a new system for mounting the exhaust onto the engine. I'm pretty sure I filmed this before, but never got to post it. It just uses the two springs that actually held the original OEM muffler on this, and I just rigged it up to hold in place instead of a piece of paper between the port and the pipe, and it would constantly fall out. Then I would grab it, burn myself, blah 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 blah. Let's make some noise. Still runs good after all these years. Yeah, that's pretty hot. Yeah, that feels like maybe 180 degrees Fahrenheit, I guess. Not entirely sure. I'm not a thermometer. But that actually reminds me, I'm gonna remove this. Or actually I can't, because it's so freaking hot. Whoops, I'll have to edit this in. The pipe itself has 16 holes, so that way exhaust can flow through into the packing. Alright, there we go. Now before I start it, I already know this probably isn't going to last long. At least those black spacers right there, those are going to be the ones I melt first. However, I don't think the exhaust gases are going to have enough heat to heat up the entire muffler in the amount of time that I'm going to run it. But with that being said, it's a proof of concept. So let's begin. I think that sounds pretty nice. Muffler is slightly warm. That spacer's okay, and that back spacer is getting a little bit gooey. So, like I thought, the spacers are going to be a maintenance wear item if this actually works out. I could probably use something else to use as a spacer for the back one, because it seems the one in the front doesn't heat up as much. But the muffler itself, it's a little warm, that's about it. There we go, packed nice and tightly with 4 steel scrubbers. Put the end cap back on. I also designed this with sides on it, so that way it's a little bit easier to put on, and it's a more secure fit. Alrighty, here we go. Alright, back spacer's completely melted now. Hold on. Oh yeah. It feels like the muffler casing itself, though, is not damaged. It's a little warm, but that's about it. I gotta see if the back part over here is, though. I need to take it off. Hold on. Well, that didn't last long. Alright, so final conclusions. The theory is there. This should technically work. I think I need to devise a way of either cooling the exhaust gases or having a proper spacer between the copper pipe and the actual muffler body, so that way it doesn't transfer heat as much, because it seems like this would work for quite a while. And it's relatively thick, so it's going to have a lot of mass to heat up before it starts melting. But I think that about does it for this video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.